Most of our course has been developed over the last 5 years. While many standards of customer service are applicable across multiple situations, here in 2020, we have some new considerations. It is very important that we as drivers take our health and the health of those around us very seriously. Many rideshare companies have new mask policies that are in line with this. For drivers, this means we need to wear a mask that fits within CDC guidelines while driving, so it needs to cover from the bridge of your nose to the bottom of your chin. While it is merely recommended by some companies and not required, others will require you to wear a mask before you go online. Make sure you are in compliance with your rideshare company's policies. However, it's not just us drivers who will need to change our behaviors. Riders will also be asked to wear a mask and to sit in the back seat with the windows open for ventilation. This may not be possible in all weather conditions. Strong customer service skills can really help in this time. For example, many riders may be thankful that you are displaying care for them by wearing a mask. However, if someone seems annoyed or upset about the new policies, it can help to be sympathetic and positive while enforcing the rules. You can say something like, "Wearing a mask is a great way to help protect everyone's health." We offer several courses that can help develop your customer service skills. Consider signing up for one. Many rideshare companies also have a new policy for both drivers and riders where each have the ability to cancel a trip without penalty if either person is not following the new guidelines. If any of your riders refuse to wear a mask while in the vehicle with you, you can say something like, "I'm sorry, I'm unable to provide service to anyone who isn't wearing a mask." Just keep in mind that a rider can cancel on you for the same reason. Of course, another aspect of slowing the spread of the virus is to be extra thorough when cleaning our vehicles. We encourage you to disinfect your vehicle at every opportunity, especially between trips when possible. Be careful to use solvents and cleaners that are appropriate for the surfaces of your vehicle. Something that is good for windows may be damaging on leather and vice versa. When cleaning, pay special attention to high-traffic areas like door handles, window controls, and seatbelts. Be prepared in these uncertain times to adjust your behaviors according to current safety standards and health recommendations. Remember that this is just another opportunity to provide excellent customer service and earn that 5-star rating.